Baba Nonkos, Baba Mayor, I'm feeling pain. Sometimes we just need to accept that we are the grown-up now. Abasekho abanye abantu abadala. There are things that are being said, it's said and then it ends there. Now, inkulumo kaXabashi, when he says the city owes him millions, and he's been saying this for years, but it does seem as if nobody wants to give him an ear and listen whether he is lying or is telling the truth. And it's a matter of listening to him, and if it's lying, Babu Mayor, come outside, put in the front page of the paper and tell us he was lying. Because he keeps talking about it, even when we're at a funeral. We must listen to him complaining about this. I was in the funeral with Petty. I said, we spend more time talking to Xabashi about the money that is owed to him. Now, this young man here who spoke, he went to court, Babu Mayor. He won the case. Now the city is saying, out of R1, can we pay you R5? Let's listen to it. I know for saying this, I'll lose friends, which is nothing new. Umpele, for those of you who doesn't know, I employed him in a city. The NC said, we don't want him. I said, hey, I'm going to employ him, and I did. With the DA and the IFP supporting me, in the end, I lost my position as a deputy mayor because I defied them. I'll also write, mayor, somebody will phone Umpele and say, yes, I've said it. It's me saying it. But all I'm saying is, if as old as we are, cannot sit around the table and say, this is an issue, let's deal with it. Is it fair that this young man will cry and tell us he can't even feed his dog? And it's okay. Is that correct? Is there Ubuntu? Is there Zulu? Where is the Zuluness out of this? These are our people. Can we look at this, Babu Mayor, tomorrow? You call it Xabashi, you call Umpele, you call it CFO. If Xabashi, this was about the security people must come in there. If this man here is lying that he had the tent and he was feeding the people, there's no proof. But the worry that I have about it, he's been to court and he's being told, it's too much, we'll pay you less. Doesn't deserve the money because he's a darky or? If that is what it is, and then he needs to be told. Because you know, me and now we are one, we're coming from Claremont, we are good, but the truth of the matter, somebody needs to tell the truth as is. If we don't do this, and then there's nothing about us thinking we are human beings, we are not. And these two, chances are, they're not the only one. Has anyone gone out and say, how many of you that have this problem? Right now, the city changed the system of paying their contractors. We hear it's a good thing that is being done because you must account this and that, but somewhere along the line, somebody never ever thought that someone doesn't have a computer, someone can't send this thing through online. Should it not have worked better if it was done slowly, than them coming and say, hey, you know what, we haven't been paid for 3 months. Can we survive? No, we can't. I'm sorry I'm being emotional about it, but sometimes we need to say these things and somebody must say it. Sebonga.